Gotta like that. Hey, VW Lifers. Well, this is a big night. It's the 22nd birthday of the Austin Aircoolers VW gang. So it started it all 22 years ago. So, and we have reinvigorated the meeting. It's on second Thursdays down at Freebirds, and it's a long way down there. We're here and it's there, but it's worth it. So stick with us tonight. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna see some old friends, and we are gonna crisscross from the north side of Austin to the south side. Hopefully we will live to tell the tale. So let's go. Yeah,
That is the coolest.
nothing but the best.
Coolest.
Yeah, baby. All right, there it is. Special guest appearance. There he is, the man. Wearing some Merc. Alberto, we're headed to the 22nd anniversary Aircoolers gathering. Are you excited?
Real excited.
Look at the thrill on his face. He's beyond excitement.
Is there gonna be food?
Yes, there's gonna be food. Freebirds is gonna hook us up.
Oh, I love free bird.
I know. What's up, boys? In this parking lot, sir.
Just in time for the announcement.
What?
Yeah,
we,
you missed
we still
them.
do announcements?
Yeah.
I was just trying to remember what to say. I've been old school, last minute South Austin hustling tonight.
Yeah.
I made it here with still some sweat on my brow.
Oh my Lord. What do we have here, sir? Oh, it's uh-oh, I think I know what's going on
What we
here.
have in here is a little modification to the cabinet.
Is that an air conditioner?
And so
It's a.
that's a portable AC, and vented it through the window.
So you plug this in to shore power.
Yeah,
And you've got AC because that's the hot air vent going out.
yeah,
So it's like a window unit, but it's not in a window.
yeah. No, this is the intake.
Oh, where's the cold air come out from?
Cold air comes out right here,
there.
and then the exhaust out the other side.
Are you recording
you gotta
now?
Keep this, you gotta keep this
Okay,
PG.
Yeah,
So this is Axel's first experience of getting trimmed.
Oh my God!
From Gary.
You can't say. Oh, from me. Well, no.
Oh, well, from Gary's supplier.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey everybody!
Hey!
Welcome to the March 2023 monthly, supposed to be Austin Aircoolers Volkswagen Gang meeting.
Yay!
We all made it. And if you drove here in a Volkswagen, raise your hand. Nice.
Wow.
The truth is, you don't even have to own a Volkswagen to come to an Aircoolers meeting. You just have to want to hang out with people that like to talk about it. So that's it. And Tom's one of those people. But he does have a Volkswagen too, just so you know. So nobody hate on him.
Got a good group of Volkswagens here on the 22nd anniversary. Except for that, that's not a Volkswagen, that's a Cherokee. There's Alfredo, he's over there jamming. There's a couple of OGs right there.
And then this.
Cheers, Mr.
Those are OGs.
South Austin.
South Austin OGs.
Oh yeah.
And look, there's Tommy B.
Hey, everybody. How you doing?
Hello out there in TV land. Here we are at the 22nd. You know, that's a lot of years.
22nd?
22nd, 22 years of Volkswagens.
You been in it the whole time?
No, I got here in 02, so 1 year. It'd been gone 1 year.
Oh, yeah.
I got here in 02.
Garrett was heading that up at that time?
Yep.
Yeah.
I got here in 02, so a year afterwards when I bought my 13 window.
We got here in 04, so we were just a little bit later.
Yeah.
Started going down to the pool.
Yep, Deep Eddy Pool. Yeah. Remember that? And we
went tour de force to get
Yeah.
over to the pizza place.
So it's good. And now we're here at Freebirds in the parking lot here. So it's good.
Yeah. How many cars did we count?
I think 17. Ooh, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's really good.
That's super awesome.
Yeah.
I like it.
We're here live with the winner of the Texas Volkswagen Drag Racing Association Street, what is it? What's
Street class.
Street
yeah.
class.
Texas Volkswagen Drag Racing Association.
Hello, champion right here. Our very own Tommy B. Smith.
Winner, burrito dinner.
Oh, yeah, he won a burrito tonight. So tell us, how did the victory come about, sir?
You know, it was crazy. Friday night, I literally got the motor. I had just built a 2387, a new motor for the car.
23?
It's not that big of a deal. But
It's not that
nevertheless,
big.
I got it all put together. And I literally just barely put it on the run stand for a couple minutes. Stuck it in the car, make sure that it wasn't going to leak, because I hate leaks, right?
Yeah.
I stuck it in the car, wired everything, or bolted everything together, and then I went to bed. Saturday morning I get up, I stick a battery in the car, I finish off like 2 wires, I put plug wires on the car, and I backed it out of the driveway, and I was like, ah, it's moving, I think this is great.
Yeah. Oh, it's got a first gear and reverse.
In reverse.
Okay.
I washed it, I drove it down the street, came back, and I told Mike, I said, oh, this sounds pretty good. And then I went to go get the trailer, I came back, we stuck it on the trailer, and we went to the racetrack.
So that's it. So
So
you hadn't been in any gear besides first.
Well, what's crazy is, not only that is, I'm running Udo Becker tool steel lifters, so you don't have to break in the cam. So I didn't even break in the motor on the run stand like normally I do.
So it's just like,
I don't know what timing is. I don't know what the carbs are tuned. I don't know anything, right? It's just
so what you're saying is we might be onto something.
We might, yeah. Don't touch it.
Don't touch a thing. Just throw something together and go for it.
So I literally made, in fact, the other day, and luckily my timing was at like 36, so it wasn't too far out.
Yeah.
But I literally didn't even check it.
Good Lord.
Until I got home.
The whole weekend?
The whole week, the whole race.
He didn't even take tools.
I took tools, but I didn't do anything about it. Everybody else was working on their cars, and I just sit there and watch. And so basically, I didn't touch anything, and I raced. And the car is faster. The timing wasn't so bad, but all this race was more of me catching up to them really quick and then just slowing down. So like even my very last race, if you look at the race, you can see me hit the brakes because I had to slow down. It's bracket racing.
From when you dialed in, right?
Yeah.
So you were going to bust out if you would have stayed on.
So I just haul butt.
So what? So you do a couple of test runs to see like we've done this before,
to
right?
get an idea of what we're going to be.
And then, how consistent were you?
Oh, I was all over the place because the two runs that I played with, the two first runs or your test runs, they were pretty consistent. So then I dialed in off of those numbers, but then all the rest of the race was all me just going really fast, catching up, and then slowing down because I had.
So you can look over and see that you're going to beat the guy next to you.
Well, you catch up to them so quick. Yeah. Well, the very first guy, I think his name is Jason.
Were they in slower? They were obviously in slower cars, right?
Jason was in a stock car. He dialed in a 14.5, and I'm sitting there for like 6 seconds waiting for the light to turn, and so his light goes green. He takes off. He's driving down the track, and I revved it up, and I'm like, oh, my light hasn't started, so I got out of the gas.
Your light hasn't even started yet.
Yeah. Then I revved it up again, and I was like, oh, my light hasn't started. And then I'm looking at it, and I'm like, come on, man, come on. And this is all happening within 6 seconds,
Yeah,
but it seems like forever. And then finally I rev it up a little bit, and then my light starts going. Then I floored it. I was like, all right. The one thing I didn't want to do is
red light. Yeah.
Right? And then finally I took off, and I caught up to him, and I beat him, but he broke out also. So he went faster than his dial in. So
that didn't matter.
It didn't matter if I beat him or not. And then the other ones, another guy was spinning, and then the other guy I caught up to him really good. So they were dialed in like a second or so slower than me.
So you had it.
Yeah.
So they were playing it safe. Is that kind of how you do that with the dial-in time or something?
I don't know if they were playing it safe, but my car, I was doing really good. Just I don't know what I was doing.
Well, I think it's awesome you won. Congratulations.
Tuneless in the wind circle.
So now we know the key is to not tune your car. Just go out there and run it. That's it. There's no pressure.
Yeah. What's crazy is though, you stab a distributor in a motor brand new that you just built.
Yeah.
And if you know how to do everything just right,
yeah, it's all pretty close.
It's all going to be super close.
Yeah.
And then you just barely give it a little gas, and you hit the starter, and it pops off.
Right up.
Yeah, you don't have to fight, and you don't do anything else. So every time I do that, it just pops right off. And it's like, oh, I like that.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, and it was super late, and Denise is like, turn that down. So I had to.
Yeah, Tommy lives in a neighborhood. Uncle Target lives 2 doors down, so if Uncle Target comes over and starts screaming, we know you got problems.
Actually, he starts shuffling his feet because you don't know how many times he's walked up to me and just scared the Jesus out of me.
Yes, I've seen you scared by that too.
So he walks up and he shuffles his feet to try to.
So you know.
So he knows. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So that's.
Well, we are just so proud of you and your victory.
Yay!
Well, we're getting gas here on what a fun night. I just can't tell you guys how cool it is to know that you've been a part of something for as long as the Aircoolers have been around. And like Garrett was saying, it is the most loosely fit thing, and it fits Austin, or what was Austin. I don't know if it's there anymore. There's still parts of it like that, but it's just the coolest thing to see people you've known for a long time and just have such a great time, man. That's the coolest thing about the Aircoolers, and it's just it's a good thing, and it has been around, and it just kind of floats around, and it's the best thing. What I liked about it is that we just got to hang out tonight. They got a new location. It's gonna work out, I think, pretty good. It's got a big parking lot, and it's a good thing. It's a good thing. Check out some of our merchandise on All Metric Garage if you get a chance. Got some pretty cool stuff out there. Well, appreciate you guys. That helps support the channel. So we do appreciate you guys, everything you can do on that. As far as All Metric Garage, we appreciate you guys visiting that. And as far as everything else, make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. It's what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. Go out and get yourself something going, hang out with your Volkswagen friends, and thank you guys for joining us on VW Life. Until next time.